Today I'm going to be replacing the screen on my Acer netbook. Here's the replacement screen. Here's my netbook with the broken screen. Got my new screen here. I'm going to replace it. To replace the screen, I got to remove these 4 rubber grommets here. Take those off. Pop this panel off, take the screen out, and then reconnect it. Once I get this panel off, I'll make another video. Alright, so I took those grommets off and unscrewed it. This part just pops off. Now you take this screw off, this screw off, this screw off, and this screw off. Then the screen should pop right out, and then I'll just hook it up and put it back in. Alright, so I unscrewed it, put it down here, unhook this cable from up here, and now I just unhook this from right there, pop this out, and now hook it back up the same way I took it apart. Alright, here's the broken screen, and here's the new screen. Good as new.